Hi guys, welcome to Thursday Live Sessions. Today we've got a special guest. I'm gonna let her introduce herself. Mademoiselle.
I don't know about special, but thank you. I'm flattered. My name is Shanky. I'm a Zimbabwean artist based in London, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for having me, guys. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a cover with these amazing people here. Thank you for taking the time to have me on your set.
Thank you for gracing us. I believe you've got a single that's out, a new single.
I do, yes. I'm actually here promoting my new single called Watora Moyo, featuring Manyemwe. So I came to Zimbabwe to shoot the video for it and just to play it for you guys. And I hope you have checked it out. If you haven't, make sure you do. I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, great. So we're going to give a couple of shout-outs. Maybe I can start with you. You can give a couple of shout-outs to...
I'd like to say, I'm going to keep this short because I always forget someone. Shout out to everyone watching this, first of all, that covers me. And then shout out to King Alfred, shout out to TP, shout out to DJ Mox. And yeah, like I said, everyone watching this video. That's you.
Osley Gambeza, thank you for the feedback. Tafazo C. Dondo. Maiwen na Yolanda, Tafazo Gondo, Penelope Hamunyari Mavunga, Young One Gucci Mvodudu. Thank you guys for the feedback. We greatly appreciate it. Senchitaura nezvako hanza wana mukadzi awana chakanaka awana notya mwari awana anovaka saka pauri ndakawana namba neayo mazuva ndakanga ndiri zijaya zvinhu sazvakwana pandiri wakauya wakangoti nama nezvimwe zvainyadza wengovharavhara ndadzamirwa love iri true isina kutombobhaiza yamba everyday pasina kutomboshaina svika kumagumo ndoziva hombo ndikanya zvandaona zvawanda ndoziva unondida ndinotenda kumusoro nekundapiwa mukana wekukurakidza kukosha kuvanoshamizika neko kuti senchifamba ndakakubata maoko hanzi chawawana batisisa mudzima upe kaviri pauri handimborege vamwe pavaisora pandiri wakaona chakakosha kundizvuzvurudza svika ndaziva jehovha saka pauri handina kumbopodza apa ndakananga hanzi uchazongona here uyu chihera asi wakauya wakaragidza kuti rudo harina kuyera So ladies and gentlemen, thank you. This is Ndoita Manyemwe. So follow Leonard Mapfumo on Facebook, Leonard Mapfumo, on YouTube, Leonard Mapfumo, Instagram, Leonard Mapfumo, Twitter, @Namapfumo. Shanky?
You can follow me on Twitter @Shanky Music, Instagram @Shanky Music, and Facebook.com/Shanky Music, and subscribe to my channel as well, Shanky Official. That's Shanky with a Y.
And Mwenje Matola at all social media platforms. Manyemwe, all social media platforms, and Euclid Kalino at all social media platforms. And thank you to Clearside for filming this wonderful show. Catch you next week. Thank you.